What is happening, everyone? We got another reset. Today we're going to do a new mobile N13. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password that you forgot and you have to do a hard reset on, we'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you do delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on here, it will be deleted and you're not going to get it back. So just a heads up on that. So be cautious when you're doing this. If you guys haven't, subscribe. We got a ton more hard resets and teardowns coming up, so we'd appreciate that. But otherwise, let's dive into this bad boy. What you want to do is make sure the phone's off. In this case, it is. You have your volume up, volume down, and power buttons. And what we want to do is hold volume down and power at the same time. So I'll hold the volume down first, then I'll hit power, and then once the phone turns on, you can let go of power, but keep holding volume down. So sometimes it does take a minute to kick in on some of these phones, but just keep holding. It's once the safety pocket protocol. There we go. Phone's on. We're still holding volume down. And then there's our hard reset menu. So we want to use the volume buttons to scroll. The power button is to select. And we're going to scroll down to wipe data factory reset. I say data? Wipe data. Jeez, I cannot talk today. I'm sorry about that. All right, data's deleted. Scroll all the way down to either power off or reboot system. In this case, I'm just going to power it off, but the phone will load to your welcome screen and you can navigate it to the home screen and set it up how you wish because everything's deleted. And that's how you do a hard reset on a new mobile N13. If you guys have any questions or comments, we'd love to hear from you. Otherwise, thanks for watching and we'll catch you on the next one.